The time around my wedding and honeymoon were understandably stressful, but it culminated quite badly on the first night of our honeymoon. We'd been in Nice for pretty much 6 hours, and when the explosion came, it was pretty horrific. I can't even really remember what we were arguing about, but I finally exploded and screamed profanities at my wife in the middle of the street, in front of not only random French strangers, but worse still, my infant daughter in the pram that my wife was pushing. The feeling of shame and remorse permeates me to this day, and it's something that I hold dear so that I never forget the depths of lowness that I can reach through anger.